Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifo Aprianto, and I will introduce you to PHP and databases. And the first one, PHP is a powerful server-side programming language that is widely used for web development, including building dynamic websites and web application. Databases are an essential component, allowing PHP to store, retrieve, and manipulate data. This presentation will guide you through the fundamentals of integrating PHP and databases. Connecting to a database in PHP. And the first one, database connection. Establi- Establish a secure connection for a database using PHP built in function or a database specific library as MySQL or PDO. And second, connection parameters. Specify the necessary details, including the database host, username, password, and the name of the database you want to connect to. And three, error handling. Implement robust error handling to gracefully manage connection failures and ensure your application can recover from unexpected database issues. Next is querying data with PHP. The first one, you can use SQL queries. Use SQL structured query language to retrieve, filter, and sort data from your databases. Leverage SQL power to perform complex query. And second one, executing queries. Execute SQL queries in PHP using function like MySQL underscore query or PDO query. Handle the return result set to access and the process the data. Third is parameterized queries. Adopt the practice of using parameterized queries to protect against SQL injection attacks, and ensure the security of your application. Next, inserting, updating, and deleting data. How to you how you to use insert data, like you can comment leverage SQL insert statement to add new record to your database using PHP function like MySQL query or PDO exec. The second one is you can updating the data, like utilize SQL update statement to modify existing records in your databases, ensuring data integrity and consistency. And three, deleting data. Delete data, implement SQL delete statement to remove records from your database exercising caution and considering data dependencies. Next, handling database errors and exception. First, error reporting. Enable comprehensive error reporting in PHP to identify and diagnose database-related issues, including connection problems and SQL syntax error. Two is exception handling. Implement exception handling to gracefully manage unexpected database interaction, ensuring your application can recover and provide meaningful feedback to users. Three, logging and debugging. Maintain detailed logs of databases, relate errors and exception, which can be invaluable for troubleshooting and improving the reliability of your application. Next, you can securing your database connection and queries. The first one, you can securing like connection security. Implement secure database connection practices such as using SSEL or TLS encryption to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. And two, input validation. Thoroughly validate and sanitize all user input to prevent SQL injection attack, which can compromise the integrity of your database. Three, least privilege. Grant the minimum necessary database permission to your application, limiting the potential damage if a security breach occurs. Four is prepare statements. Utilize prepare statement to separate the SQL logic from the user input, further strengthening the security of your database queries. The best practice for database design. You can normalization. Follow database normalization principles to minimize data redundancy and ensure data integrity. 2. Indexing. Optimize database performance by strategically indexing columns to accelerate data retrieval. 3 is appropriate data types. Choose the most appropriate data types for your data to save storage space and improve query efficiency. 4 is backup and recovery. Implement a robust backup and recovery strategy to protect your data against loss or corruption. Next is conclusion and key takeaways. Mastering PHP and databases. This presentation has provided a comprehensive introduction to integrating PHP and database, covering key topics such as connection, querying, CRUD operation, error handling, and security best practices. 2 is continuous learning. As technology evolves, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest development in PHP. Databases and web application security commit to ongoing learning and professional development. 3 is practical application. Apply the concept and technique learned in this presentation to your own web development projects, experimenting and continuously improving your PHP and database skill. And thank you for watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.